Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So my name is Momita Mondol and today I'll be just sharing with you this wedding guest makeup look. So if you want to see the full tutorial of it, let's see into the video. For prepping my skin, I'll be taking this Lakme Absolutes Undercover Gel Primer. This is a silicone based primer, but it has a texture of like gel moisturizer. So I have took it in like this amount and I'll be just applying it wherever I have my pores. I have large pores all over my skin. So I have just blended it in my skin. Now I'll be applying foundation. So for foundation I have two foundations. One is this Sugar's Drop the Base Serum Foundation in the shade 50 Mocha, and another one is this Lakme 925 Weightless Mousse Foundation in the shade 03 Beige Caramel. So I'll be taking it. So first I'll be taking this serum foundation and I'll be just dropping it in my hand. I'll be taking 3 drops of it, and I'll be taking this foundation and just I'll be taking a bit of it. Like you can see this how much I took. I did it for just a brightening effect. You can just skip it also. So this is the exact foundation shade. I'll be just now dotting it all over my face and then blending it. So now I'll be taking a beauty blender and a brush. First I'll be using a brush to blend it and then a beauty blender to just give it a natural finish. So I have just used the brush and now I'll be using this beauty blender. So this is a damp beauty blender and I'll be just blend. So now my blending is complete and this is giving a natural finish and I just want that only. So now I'll be using a concealer. So this is the Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade 50 Caramel. I'm sorry, that is not 50 but this is 40. So now I'll be using it under my eyes and like around my mouth and a bit here. Now I'll be just blending it with that same foundation brush only. So now I have blended my concealer and I'll be setting my base with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Powder in the shade 115 Ivory. And I'll be applying it under my eyes. So I have dry skin and that's why I don't set my face too much and I also don't bake my face. I just apply it where I sweat and I applied the concealer. So now I have just blended the powder in my skin and I'll be doing my eyebrows. So for my brows I'll be using this Wet n Wild's Ultimate Brow Kit in the shade Ash Brown. And I'll be doing my brows in the off cream. So now my brows are done and I'll be just going for my eye makeup. So for today's eye makeup is really simple, like really simple. So today for eye makeup I'll be using this Lakme Absolutes Infinity Eyeshadow Palette in the shade Midnight Magic. So this has 12 shades and I used this shade so much that it is almost finished. So at first I'll be applying a transition shade. So for transition shade I'll be using this pink colored shade. Like this is not a pink color but like a mauve color. I'll be using this shade and just taking it with a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'll be just pressing it in my crease. Now I'll be just blending it nicely. This is really a light shade and I love this palette. This was my second palette of my life and this is amazing. So now I'll be applying this golden shade right here, like this one. As I have said that this is like very simple eye makeup, so I'll be taking it with a flat brush and I'll be just pressing it. I have not done any cut, crease or anything, just I placed it. I will be taking it again. So now I will be taking my fluffy brush which I used and just blending it a bit with that pink color. And now this eye's eyeshadow is done. I'll be doing the same in this eye also. So now my both eyes are done, and I'll be just applying my eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I'm taking this Sugar's Wingman Waterproof Micro Liner in the shade 01. It will be black. Now I'll be just applying the eyeliner. I did a wing liner. You can just do it simple also. So both the liners are done. So now I'll be just applying some kajal and mascara. So if you want the tutorial of this winged liner, so please check out my video. I'll be just linking it down in the description box. So now for kajal, I'm using this Maybelline's The Colossal Kajal in the shade black. It has only one shade. This is almost finished. Now I'll be just outlining my upper waterline and lower waterline. So now my kajal is done, and I'll be using this Sugar's Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in the shade 01 Black Beauty for coating my lashes. So this is the wand. So my mascara is also done. So this is my final eye makeup. So I have told only that this is really simple. So now I'll be just applying the highlighter and then the lipstick. I'll be not applying any blush. So for the highlighter, I'm taking this Sugar's Contour de Force Mini Highlighter in the shade 01 Champagne Champion. And now I'll be using this brush. This is like a face paint brush, but I love to apply highlighter with this only. So now I'm taking it little bit and then applying it in the highlighting points of my face. So I have just applied the highlighter, and then I'll be applying my lipstick. So for lipstick, I'll be using this Sugar's Smudge Me Not mini lipstick in the shade 17 Fiery Berry. So now I have just applied the lipstick, and I'll be just be ready and just be coming back to you. So guys, এটা হচ্ছে আমার final look. So this is my final look. If you like it, please like my video, share it and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon, and please comment me down below that you liked it or not. Bye.